Hello and welcome to 8-Bit English, the channel where we study English with video games. The Steam Deck is a wonderful device. It's been out for about 4 years now and it's still going very strong. It's great to be able to take my PC gaming library and just play it anywhere. Of course, I wouldn't take it outside though. I'm just mainly on the couch. I'm always on the lookout for a good source of Steam Deck news. One wonderful source of this I've found is the channel Deck Ready. This channel is presented by the wonderfully named Jimmy Champagne, who's been giving us Steam Deck videos regularly for the last couple of years. So I'm watching his latest video and I'm noticing something a little different in this one. He's standing up in a different location than usual and he's actually got a handheld mic. But then something happened that I was not prepared for. A wild dog appears, and obviously the comments go crazy. We need more info on the dog. Doggo kept my engagement high. I'm just focusing on the doggo wandering around. Your dog completely derailed the video for me. And at this point, it's pretty clear that we all love the dog. The dog has totally derailed this video. We're not really listening to what he's got to say anymore. We're just looking at that dog. And that dog isn't really doing anything. Doesn't know what a Steam Deck is. She's just hanging around. And there's so many ways in English to describe that. So here are some expressions for hanging around. Or to put it another way, wandering aimlessly without any plan. Killing time. Doing their own thing. Passing the time. Mooching around. Careful with that one. It sounds like the person's a bit lazy. Doing nothing in particular. Chilling out. Pottering about. Ah, it's super British. I love that one. Knocking about. Whiling away the hours. And before I forget, hanging around. So there are some good expressions for when you are just wandering aimlessly, killing time, being a dog in the background of a video. One thing to remember, because these are generally considered not so important, or perhaps short activities, we can just add just in front of all of them. And now you've seen all those, here are some example sentences so you can see how these expressions are used. After a stressful day at work, I was just chilling out in Animal Crossing, decorating my island at a relaxed pace. I spent an hour just mooching around Hogwarts, wandering the corridors with no real goal in mind. Of course here, you could also say pottering around Hogwarts, but maybe the reference is a bit too on the nose. I was passing the time fishing in WoW while waiting for my friend to log on. Notice then how these are often used with the ing form, either in present or past, to describe something that was going on over a period of time. That just about brings us to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. As usual, try and use these expressions anytime you can. Feel free to use these comments to have a go. Make some sentences using these expressions. If you want a really good source of Steam Deck news, check out Deck Ready. It's a great resource for Steam Deck news. Use it to practice your English listening skills. In fact, I think I'm going to give Jimmy a chance to finish off the video for us.
I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments. Also subscribe, set your notifications to all. Anyway, guys, as always, my name is Jimmy Champagne. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and shape on.